shokodele. Oh, yeah, that's in Toronto, Jamison and Maru, downtown city. Train on a Manu. Train Laguna, Bar Laguna.
Please look right for traffic when exiting.
Street car in a Chilla. Oh, you're talking about window.
Next stop, Tecumseh Street.
I kept the function with you. All in it. Oh, yeah, that's Toronto City. Downtown on left, so. The train into the Benz Gorshey. Toronto. Toronto city by you. Wow, so nice, so nice. And the name of subway subway number 1 Risha. Subway number 1. And this subway yellow line. Street and yellow line door subway. This is one line. I'm going to count where is Lana. Saturday, there downtown Toronto, Dundas line. So, subway did it. Yeah, train Manaramos. Street and Dio. Yeah, that's it.
Please stand clear of the doors.
Okay, sit down. Oh yeah, so Toronto Eaton Center. Kandi Toronto ki Thames ko na ore do. Da Toronto ke 왜냐면 지금 내라래. 아니 디슈라 CN Tower do samso. CN Tower da 아니 Park Island da High Park da 망고 로사다. 그래서 당연히나 따뜻하게 제이 야, 단디 나와 진짜고. Hi, good morning. How are you?
Good. How are you?
You know how far is the city center?
Oh, you mean like the mall?
Mall city
oh,
center?
it's just right there across the street.
Oh, this is the one?
Yeah.
City center. Oh, this is the one.
Yeah, it's called Eaton Center.
Oh, Eaton Center.
Yeah.
What about the CN Tower? Any nearby?
Not nearby.
CN Tower, a little bit far, right?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you so much. Oh yeah, let's go to CN Tower. Excuse me, CN Tower is here, right? Are you from here?
Yeah.
Ah, okay, thank you, thank you. CN Tower, 내 통도 안 돼. Right there. CN Tower 제일 따가죠. Wow, 단디 빌딩 양습도다. 때 무슨 집도 로얄 욕 호텔 사만디 호텔 전부도 very big hotel. Taxi stand. Oh yeah, 다 니네래. Oh yeah, 다 레스. 다 CN Tower. So I think I go to wait, no.
Just 1 second, sorry. Doors are closing. And welcome to the elevator. In just 58 seconds, you will be at the main observation floor. This is Canada's National Tower. You are moving at 22 kilometers per hour, 15 miles per hour. And right below, you get to see all the way to ground if you want to see through the glass panels of the floor. This is the southwest view of the city, or at least from here. And then from this elevator means this is the baseball stadium for the Toronto Blue Jays, clear view of Lake Ontario, and you have a view of the Toronto Islands and the Toronto City Airport division. Pretty soon you will be at 346 meters high. That is 1,136 feet high. If you want to go higher, buy tickets for the top. That's extra, $11 plus tax per person, and then you go 100 meters more. The bistros are open here on the main observation floor. There's a glass floor here. All the washrooms are by the yellow and the blue elevators. All the washrooms are in the same hallway. You go 1 floor down by the stairs, you get to lower observation. Lower observation has the elevators to exit, the small outdoor terrace, 2 overview areas if you want to lean over the windows, and you have also another glass floor there. Please mind the gap on the door. This way, and remember all washrooms are right here.
Oh, thank you. Wow, very nice. Look. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my goodness, look. So scary. Yeah, top Toronto City. Wow. Very nice. Fantastic.
Esa zona de allá sigue siendo Toronto, pero más hasta allá está un lugar que se llama Lhakar, que es como un suburbio de Toronto.
다양한 강주들이었어. Gorshey Delek so ni Toturails 가자. Toturails 147 floor in Chile. 만디리다 토쇼. Yeah, let's go this way. Oh, 다야 보죠. 아 소리도 땡 지금 남만 그렇게 쉬어. 다 남는다. 빼마시. Oh my god. Sadima sana şey ise ya gelin. Oh my god.
Oh my god, I can see it.
네가 뭘 믿어야 돼. 와, one more here. It's so scary. Woo.
You guys are brave. You gotta do it at least once. Okay.
꼬부지 동고다. 꼬부템.
Milk, cream, sugar.
Cambridge, okay.
It's a high speed.
My ear. Why do my ears feel weird when we're
Yeah, the altitude, yeah.
It's very fast.
The pressure, yeah.
Pressure change.
The speed of the elevator is 22 kilometers or 50 miles per hour. So,
Yeah. So that's faster than
for sure. So again, it's gonna take us 1 minute to go up.
아, 다 남주 she'll take it off.
The 4 panels down by your feet here.
No, down is not as bad. Yeah.
전 남주 랜딩 지금 나오거든요.
Yeah, we have these 4 panels down by your feet. Next one.
Oh, I'm glad I didn't look down.
Wow. I feel like we're landing.
Yeah, right?
Plane landing, yeah.
And once you reach the ground level, of course the exit will only be through the souvenir shop.
Wow.
Okay.
To the gift shop,
And then that's it.
pass it, make a left for the exit doors.
Okay.
Very fast. Woo.
Right this way
Thank you
here.
so much. Oh my god. 야, 다 랩스 시리니.